Alright, this video is going to show you how to use GoFormative. I've recently discovered this website myself and I absolutely love it because of the fact that it lets the kids draw. You can use it a lot in math, you can use it a lot for the little ones. It works best if you're using an iPad or a tablet. So when you first sign in, here's the screen that you will see. If you want to create your own GoFormative, you're going to click on New Assignment, and this is the screen you're going to see. So you can title it right here. So let's say I want to title it Quadrilaterals, and you can add a question by doing any of these types of questions. It's awesome because it gives you various types of questions, unlike quizzes or Kahoots where it's just multiple choice. You can add content, meaning images, a YouTube video, can you imagine? And then you can even transform the image. So for example, if you want them to draw on a coordinate grid, you would just do the coordinate grid and then they can plot something on there. Once you're done, you're going to hit assign. But if you're like me, you never create your own. You're going to steal other people's or borrow, like most teachers do. You're going to go to the community. And once you're here, you're going to go to library. And before I go there, I want to go ahead and show you, here are some ways that you can look up some other ways for help. You can see the way that students are using it. But let's go ahead and click on library. Let's look up a content area that you want to use. If you notice ESOL teachers, there's some stuff here. My special ed teachers, you're just going by content area, really. So math, because I absolutely love math. And it's actually going to be on a Google Google Sheets. And you will see that it is filtered by grade level. Sometimes for my teachers that are differentiating, you might not even want it by grade level. You might want to look at the title or the skill level. You can click on here to view the standard. But if you want the actual assignment, you are going to click here. One more thing to note, the type of assignment they have, it's an exit ticket, or, if it's an interact, like this one says practice right here. I usually use these kinds of things for like an exit ticket. Administrators like to see that. All right, so I'm just going to click on this one. Let's just go ahead and do the shapes right here. So we'll click on GoFormative. Click on that link, and you're going to accept it. And as soon as you accept it, it'll show up back on your home screen. Sometimes there are folders, as you can see, like this. And if they are, you would just click on it, and you'll see all these means these little 3 bars mean that it's an assignment. If you don't want it anymore, you just click on it again. So we did 2D shapes. There it is. So it's an assignment. Once you click on it, you can edit it. So I'm going to click on that just to see what this assignment looks like. And it says draw a shape that has 2 pairs of parallel lines and no right angles. And notice it says to show your work. So that's where students are going to draw. What shape has exactly 1 pair of parallel lines? Parallel lines will always cross each other at the same point, at some point. And so you could just go through it again. Here's an image that somebody uploaded. So if you like it, go ahead and assign it. And here's a tricky part. Click on everyone and publicly available. The only class one is where students have to sign up for it, and that's where you have to pay for it. Or I think you can use it on Google Classrooms. Just let's keep it easy, especially for Peachtree since we don't have Google Classrooms. Publicly available, students type in this code, but they have to go to this website. So similar to quizzes, they go to a student website. As soon as they go to this website, they'll type in this code. You can even embed it into your e-class if you know how to do that. You can link it to your e-class. I've shown you how to do that. Let me go ahead and click on this website so I could show you. Whoops. Let me go back so I can type in that code for you too. Just so you could see what it would look like. And so let's pretend I'm a student really quick. Type it in. And we're in. So if I wanted to draw a shape, I can draw a shape just like that. That's obviously not the correct shape. I'm going to just answer the wrong answers really quick. And you as a teacher can click on live results and see everything that I'm inputting or the student is inputting, or you can hit summary and click on it, and it's actually the multiple choice it's grading already. The gray means that it is something that you have to grade, so you can go in and decide how to grade it. Can you imagine how easy that is? As students are answering, you're already grading it. Makes life easier. You can hit export, and you have a nice little Excel sheet with all your answers. Obviously, I only answered 3 questions. Once you're done, it'll give you everything correctly. So I hope this was helpful for you and that you can enjoy it in your classroom and actually use it. I hope it will save you some time.